Most welcome in this English grammar session. In this session, we are to learn about articles. It belongs to lesson 6. It is useful for CBSE board, ICSC, Association of All Indian Universities, as well as VTC. Must watch, listen, and note it down accordingly. A, an, and the are called articles. A and an are the short form of one, while the is the short form of this, that, these, and those. We are to learn it with the help of question and answer session. So enjoy it. Question number 1. Why do we need to learn about articles? Answer. To make our statements crystal clear to others, we need to learn about articles. Example. If someone says the teacher wants book, then the sense of saying is not clear. It should be the teacher wants a book. Question number 2. How many types of articles are there in English grammar? Name them. Answer. There are two types of articles in English grammar. First, indefinite articles, which involves a and an, and second, definite articles, that is the. Now you can learn more about articles with the help of question answer session. Question number 3. How can we learn the correct use of articles in given sentences? Answer. By acquiring the knowledge of the rules prescribed grammatically about the usage of articles, we can really learn how to use correct articles in given sentences. Question number 4. What are the 6 rules to use indefinite articles correctly? Answer. 6 rules for using indefinite articles are: Rule number 1. A and an are used with singular nouns. We use a if the next word starts with a consonant sound. We use an if the next word starts with a vowel sound. A and an. A and an are indefinite articles. A and an are indefinite articles. For example, a tiger, a lion, a cow. Now you can see here T is a consonant, L is a consonant, C is a consonant. So the indefinite article A has been used before such words. Now you see an old tiger. So O is a vowel. So indefinite article an has been used over here. In case of a baby lion, you can see B is a consonant. So indefinite article A has been used here. And in case of an ostrich, O is a vowel. So indefinite article an has been used. In this way, this rule becomes satisfied. Now come to rule number 2. We use the indefinite articles a and an before nouns in sentences when we are referring to them for the first time. For example, there is a banyan tree near our house. Second, is that an elephant? Rule 3. Indefinite articles are used to refer to a member of a class of things. As for example, a snake hisses. Second, a fox can run fast. Rule number 4. Indefinite articles are used in exclamatory sentences before an adjective plus a singular countable noun. Example, what a lovely dress. What an awesome place. In this way, we can learn how to use indefinite articles in given sentences. Rule number 5. Indefinite articles are used to talk about one's profession or what someone does. Example, my mother is an editor. I am a student. Rule number 6. Indefinite articles are used to mean one. This is a very, very important thing what you need to inculcate in yourself. For example, do you have a pen? Here A stands for one, pen. So you can say, do you have a pen? I will have an elephant. Here an elephant stands for one elephant. Thanks for watching. See you in next class with new solution.